Subscribe now. There will be 3 Pixel phones in 2018, early reports suggest. Read the latest rumors on the Google Pixel 3 specifications and launch date. They will come with the latest version of Android 9.0p, but as we saw in 2017 they may not be the first devices to ship with that OS. It will be a pure version of the software, running exactly as Google intends, with regular security updates and no bloatware. Early rumors suggest there will be 3 Pixel phones announced, but bear in mind that this was also the case in 2017 and we saw only 2 new Pixel phones announced. Google knows its users don't want cut-down specs just because a phone has a smaller screen, so we fully expect to see the Snapdragon 845 processor running the show on all Pixel 3 models. This is a 7nm chip that is faster and 30% more efficient than any before it, thanks to an octa-core Kryo 385 CPU with 4 2.8 GHz high-power cores and 4 1.8 GHz low-power cores. Qualcomm's new super-fast X20 LTE modem is built in, offering Cat18 speeds of more than 1 Gbps, as well as an enhanced Spectra 280 image signal processor. Qualcomm has bumped up video recording potential to Ultra HD, and added in various AI improvements. A leaked image from Chinese social network Weibo corroborates this, listing 20 phones which will use the 845 chip in 2018. Among them, predictably, is the Pixel 3. 2018 might be the year Google bumps up the RAM to 6GB, while storage is likely to remain at 64GB and 128GB. So, the main question, when is the Pixel 3 release date? The Pixel phones are unlikely to be unveiled before early October 2018, with an on-sale date later in October probable. For the past 2 years Google has unveiled the new phones on 4th of October, so October 4th 2018 is as good a guess as any.